Hi everyone, it's Lynn. Welcome to my crafty corner and to my 200th video. 200, wow. Gosh. Right, today we're making an explosion card. 200 will explode. Haha. That's for the front. So it's just going to be basic. It's not going to have sentiments inside or on the front because it's just whatever you want to make the card into. Well, or for me anyway, I shall pop it to one side and it can be an anniversary card, birthday card, not a sympathy card, but a get well card, something like that, when I need it. So I am making a 4x6 standard card base, which I've got, and then I've got this 8x8 piece of designer paper, printed paper. So it's 8x8 and I've just folded it in half. I've just been upstairs in my bone folder and it's upstairs. Anyway, never mind. So just fold it in half again the other way. And now we're going to go fold it from corner to corner. Whoops! Whoop. It's wriggling. Why are you wriggling? Don't wriggle. Go away, scissors. There, corner to corner. I'll just do it the other way. It just makes it easier for opening inside. And then on the other side, corner to corner. And again on the other side. So now we need to do it so that you've got the inside towards you, and we're just going to press these two sides in, and we're making like a pyramid, and then we're going to squeeze it together so we've got a triangle. Okay, so we folded it in half that way. Which way was it? That way. And we folded corner to corner, and now we've turned it over, squeezed it in the middle, and we've got a triangle. Okay, now we're going to get the edges, the corners, these corners, and fold them into the center. So that's one side, and the other side. And then this side. Maybe better with a thinner paper, but I wanted to use this patterned paper up. And then the final one there. So now we're going to get these, which we've folded over, and we're going to tuck them in. So we need to press on there and tuck it inside. Do it again, open it slightly, press on the crease, oh, fold it inside. And again, on this side, open it a bit, press on that centre line and it pops in. And the last one, press on the centre line and it pops in. Fold, not line. And that's the explosion. Excuse me, that's the explosion. Woohoo! So, pop that to one side. Get all my extra bits. Come on, little gemstone. So it's going to, well, you could have it either way. You could have it portrait or landscape. I'm going to have it landscape. So basically what we're doing is we're getting some glue, and no, we're not starting backing. Thank you very much. Excuse me. Thank you. put some glue on the back of here. Stop it, Bruno. And we're going to stick it in the middle of the card with the point on the crease, more or less on the crease. Hold that down a moment. Let me come out a bit. That's it. A bit there. And now we're just going to put some glue on this side. Or you can use double that. What are you woofing at? You're not even by the window, so you can't see anything. You sat next to me, you're helping, Mummy. You're a good boy, aren't you? So, that's that glued down. And while we're waiting for that to dry, I've got a little piece of lilac mount, which is, it is 4 by 5 5/8, my normal standard size. Oh, sorry, you can't see. I'm already putting glue on. I don't think you need to see that, do you? I think you know what that's like. So I'll just pin that on there like so. And a white mount, which is 3 6/8 by, I can't remember. Oh, you're here now, are you? Hello, don't sniff the camera. Thank you. Thank you very much. I don't need you to do that. One of the reasons why I haven't done any white for inside, for doing sentiment on inside, is because I've run out of white card. And it is on its way as we speak. So I've got another pale lilac strip, which I'm going to put across the middle, or maybe a bit lower than the middle. There we go. Yeah, pop it there. Is it straight? So that is, the length of that is 5.5. So that's what that white one is as well. 5.5 by 3 6/8. And this is how wide, and this is 3/4 of an inch, and that must be 1.5 inches, I think. So you can stamp a sentiment on there before you pop it on if you want, or I think I might use some peel offs because I'm making it now for a sentiment to go on later. And just pop that across the middle there. And now I cut 2 daisies out of the paper that's inside. Yeah. And I'm just going to layer them up. Give them a bit of a burnish with my nail first. Oops. Try again. Don't do it as hard, Lynn. Don't matter because I'll stick that on underneath. And you won't know. You won't know, will you, Bruno? No, you won't know. Is your tail going, Bru? Yeah. Sorry. He's got a very waggy tail. He's more like a Labrador, the way his tail wags, than a German Shepherd. Aren't you? Aren't you? Yes. Yes, you are. I'll just put a little bit of glue on there and stick that petal back on. Bit too rough. There. wee bit shorter, but hey. So I'm going to stick that on there like that. This in the middle. Now, what did I do it for? Why did I put this? Why did I cut that? I don't know. I don't know why I did it now. I'll just pop it in the middle. Bear with, while I just get some. Tail. He's a good boy. Just get some foam pads, which I should have brought before, but never mind. I'm going to put this up on foam because of that in the middle, so I'm just going to put it on each end. You can hear the washing machine. Sorry. So that's that. Got some glue on the back of my daisy. Daisy. Put you in the middle. And I'll get this lovely little gem. Go in, oh, that was silly, in the middle. I could have done with one of the bigger ones. Hang on, I've got a bigger one. I got a bigger one. What it'll look like with a bigger one on. So we're coffee table crafting today. Oh, I think the bigger one's better. It'll fill that gap nicely. I know it's got sticky on, but I'll just put a bit of glue. Belt and braces. Whoops! You could, or I could have embossed this white bit. I think that would have looked nice as well. But I just wanted it quite plain on the front so that when you open it up, you've got woohoo! Whee! And then, like I say, you can put some white paper or card there with a sentiment on it. You can even put one up there if you want, or you can embellish it however you like. There's for your sentiment on the front, or you could even put it up there. You can do what you like with it, but that's just my little take on an explosion card. So thank you for watching if you are, and thank you for sticking with me for 200 videos, and I hope to see you again next time. Please subscribe. And if you do subscribe, if you haven't already, please hit the notification bell, then you'll know when I'm coming on next. And please give me a thumbs up, a like, and take care of yourself and your loved ones, and I'll see you next time.